Okay, so welcome to Mathstoria, and let's have this problem. So determine the standard form of equation of the given parabola and sketch the graph. So for this given, to rewrite this one in a standard form, since y is the variable with exponent 2, so therefore all y on the left side and the rest transposed to the right side. So we have y squared minus 6y. Then this positive 16x transposed to the right side, that becomes negative 16x, and this positive 73 becomes negative 73. Then completing the squared for y, so take this number 6, then divide that by 2 raised to the power 2. So 6 divided by 2, that's 3, and 3 squared, that's 9. Then for the new equation, so we have y squared minus 6y, then add this number, so plus 9, then equals negative 16x minus 73, also plus 9. Then for the factoring for y, so since y squared is y times y, and this one is negative, so minus, and for 9, that's 3 times 3, so we have y minus 3, then to the power 2. Then equals, so we have this negative 16x, this negative 73 plus 9, that's negative 64. Then we have y minus 3 quantity to the power 2 equals, so we need to put this negative 16 outside, so we have negative 16, so we have x, and this negative 64 divide by this number, so divide by negative 16, so negative divide by negative, that's positive, and 64 divided by 16, this one is 4. So this is now the standard equation. Then for the standard equation, to find the vertex, that's h and k. Then since this one is x, so therefore this one is h, this one is y, so this one is k. So therefore the vertex for h, since this one is positive 4, so therefore h is negative 4. And for k, since this one is negative 3, so therefore k is positive 3. So this is now the vertex. Then to graph this parabola, we need the focus and the equation of directrix. So to find the focus, since the standard equation, that's y squared and negative 4p, so again y squared and negative 4p, so therefore we're going to use this equation, and this is the formula to find the focus, so that's y squared and negative 4p, but in the focus we need the value of p. So to solve for p, since this one is negative, so therefore we're going to use the negative 4p, then equals this negative 16. Then divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4. So p is equal to positive 4. So to solve now for the focus, so using this formula, that's h minus p, then k. So h is negative 4 minus p is 4, then k, that's positive 3. So therefore, the coordinate now of focus, so negative 4, negative 4, this one is negative 8 and 3. So this is now the coordinate of the focus. Then for the equation of directrix, so using this formula, that x is equal to h plus p. So we have now x equals h is negative 4 and P is 4, so therefore the equation of directrix x is equal to negative 4 plus 4, that's 0. So to graph now this parabola, so we have, so from the given vertex, this one is x, this one is y, so this one is positive x, positive y, negative x, and negative y. So x is negative 4, so negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and y is positive 3, so 1, 2, 3. So therefore, this is now the vertex of the parabola. Then for the focus, we have this negative 8 and positive 3. So negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, then positive 3. So this one is the focus, this one is the vertex. Then for this equation of directrix, x equals 0. So this one is 0. So this is now the equation of the directrix. So therefore, the graph of the parabola opens to the left. So this is now the graph of this parabola.